Okay, let's all come back. The theme of the poem. So it reflects her draw, that is a deep felt admiration, affection, and desire for the tree, which is freely linked in her mind to her homeland. When she was brought, that longed for her native land, and the one symbol of all those memories in her mind was the casuarina tree. The casuarina tree belongs to the sea oak types of the trees, and it is mainly found in the southern parts of India and Australia. It is somewhat similar to the birds on the tree, and its total look resembles to the plumage of cassowary bird, from which it has derived its meaning. The tree stands for the motherland. The tree is intended with scars that has been inflicted by the past trials and tribulation. The rugged trunk hints at the antiquity of the culture. The tree reaches for the stars and represents the aspiration of millions. The python, like creepers, stands for the cultural invasion that the country has faced. The symbol of the python represents her objective outlook, as foreigners have always viewed India as the land of snakes and magicians. It gallantly wears the culture with dignity. It accepts the invasion of the creeper and utilizes it as an embellishment of the scarves that enhances its appearance. It gathered birds and bees. A creeper climbs, in whose embraces bound no other tree could live. So by these lines, the poetess signifies that no other country could have observed these foreign elements and yet maintained its own identity. What a beautiful way to remind the readers to remember their own roofs and not to forget them or get carried away by foreign culture. The python, like a scarf, as an embellishment and protective cover that only enhances its dignity. The symbol of the scarf may also refer to the concept of modesty in India. That is the Indian culture, where the femininity of a woman are synonymous with modesty. The flowers are hung crimson colors, all the above long, and the crimson is nothing but it's a bold color. It is the color of festivity. The bird and bee and their songs represents the rich natural vegetation. Lines like with one sweet song that seems to have no close. So this is the line. So note down this line. With one sweet song that seems to have no close. So note down this line. So the rich cultured tradition that fails to die away. It exists even while men repose. It lends the speaker an inherent delight as she opens her windows to look at it at dawn. A beautiful time to admire nature and eternal beauty. It is also about to the animal world, as the statue baboon resides on it at winter, and as a source of amusement to the offsprings as they play on it. The casuarina tree trailed by a creeper vine like a huge python, winding round and round with a rough trunk, sunken deep with scars. It reached to the height touching the summit near the stars. The casuarina tree stood alone, unaccompanied in the compound, wearing the scarf of the creeper hung with crimson, that is crimson cluster of flowers, among the boughs occupied by the birds and hives of bees and humming around. At night, the poetess garden overflowed with the sweet songs of nestled birds, while tired man took rest in its shade. The poet recalls when, at dawn, she used to open the window of a room. Her eye rested upon the cassia nut tree and derived the strange kind of delight. This shows how deeply she was in love with nature, and often in the day of winter she happens to see the crust, a grey baboon sitting stunned and alone like a statue. Oh, sweet companions, loved with love intense for your sakes, shall the tree be ever dear. So, through the poet's imagination,